In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment settings on Etsy. This process is especially useful for those of you who wish to update or remove a credit card from your Etsy account. We'll walk through the process step by step to make sure it's as straightforward as possible. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up a web browser of your choice and head over to Etsy's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Simply click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage, enter your credentials, and you should be good to go. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This will take you to a page with various options relating to your Etsy account. Now here's where you'll make the changes to your payment methods. Scroll through the options to find a section labeled Credit Cards. Clicking on this section will bring up details of any credit cards currently linked to your account. If you've previously connected a card, this is where you'll find it. If you see the card you intend to remove, simply click on the option that allows you to remove it. Often, this will be a button labeled Remove right next to your card details, making it easy to spot. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation step, ensuring that you're making this change intentionally. Confirm that you do indeed wish to remove the card from your account, and Etsy will take care of the rest, removing the card from their system and updating your account settings accordingly. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully managed your payment settings on Etsy by removing a credit card. It's always a good practice to periodically review your connected payment methods, ensuring that all the information is up to date and accurate. Should you wish to add a new card in the future, you can do so by returning to the same Credit Cards section and following the prompts to input your new card details. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Managing these settings can help keep your account secure and aligned with your personal financial management needs. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a quick refresher or explore Etsy's help resources if you run into any issues. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.